Okay, so I have a question. Does anyone know what on earth is this thing? So I'm walking in this park and it came from these trees and they're just these balls all over the ground, like everywhere. These little fruits. It looks like it sort of like a lime, but it's obviously not a lime because limes do not grow on these trees. And I don't know. I didn't think that trees like this would have fruits, but or maybe it's a nut. Or it's just the seed. I don't know. Obviously, it's probably not edible. I'm not gonna. I don't. Any of you plant people out there, tell me. I'm curious.